Come take a look at this 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified the Sierra 1500 as having one owner. The Sierra 1500 has just under 66,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, Dark Titanium, Light Titanium, Leather Appointed Front Seats, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Engine, Vortec 6.0L variable valve timing SFI with active fuel management, 367 horsepower, 273.7 kW at 5600 RPMs, 375 pounds-ft of torque, 506.3 Nm, at 4300 RPMs, engine, Vortec 5.3L SFI flex fuel with active fuel management, capable of running on unleaded or up to 85% ethanol, 315 horsepower, 234.9 kW at 5200 RPMs, 338 pounds-ft of torque, 456.3 Nm, at 4400 RPMs, aluminum block, requires TK10543 models. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, standard, on T10543 models, included and only available with Li5, LMG, LH6, or LC9, Vortec 5.3L engines. Included and only available with L76, Vortec 6.0L SFI engine or L9H, Vortec 6.2L SFI engine on all cab types. SLT Convenience Package, Rear View Camera System, L,